Hey guys, we're going to review the rainbow stretch. So awesome exercise. It really hits full body. It hits low back, groin, but especially targets your upper back, your shoulders as well. So you want to begin like this with your back against the wall. Legs are out straight in a V stretch. So one hand will be off to the side like this. One hand will be raised straight up. And then with this extended hand, you just want to simply feel as if you are sinking to one side. So those of you with better mobility will be able to lean more that way. So you'll do that on one side, and then you'll hold on the other side. As you start to loosen up, you should be able to sink lower and lower to the floor. And don't be afraid when performing the rainbow V stretch that one side may be a little bit more loose or flexible